Some of you know me, some of you don't know me, so I am going to do a formal introduction. My name is Shaji Madai. I am from Kottayam, Kerala, and I am actually a professor in the community college, and I teach personality development class. So now, the main agenda, I live in flat number 101, is to discuss what is happening in our flat number 101 for the last several weeks. There is lot of noise, ruckus, screaming, throwing things, basically a lot of inconvenience. I don't know what to say. I just want to blame it on two things. First and foremost, my wife. Useless, hopeless lady. Charulata Parikh from Gujarat. Yeah, I know love is blind and all that. I have been living it for 20 years. Second, equally useless point is her YouTube channel. That woman has created a YouTube channel called Makeup Hacks with Snacks. The whole society is laughing. I can see it's not a laughing matter, it's a very serious problem. So you all are probably thinking what that YouTube channel has got to do with all the noise coming from our flat number 101. Now I am coming to that. I have 3 points to share. I have written all the points on my hand today because I am really forgetful these days. First point, stealing food. Charulata is having a channel, Makeup Hacks with the Snacks. She is doing the hacks. What about the snacks? Where is the snacks coming from? That lady, useless lady, is stealing my food. Daily morning I get up. I do the chopping, peeling, boiling, cutting, everything. Before I can eat, the snacks are gone. I am a Kerala man. I make this banana, steamed banana. I make a yogurt, rice, idli, all healthy food. Charulata goes and shows it to her YouTube subscribers and says, eat this, your skin will glow. This is what you need to eat every day, this and that. Some days, I spot her taking the food and applying on her face. My steamed banana, she is telling exfoliation, good facial. What I am supposed to do? I am a hungry man. So I start screaming. Charulata screams back at me. Anyway, daily this is the kind of problem I am dealing with. Second, one lipstick hack she has done. Oh, before that I have to say, my wife Charulata is not open to criticism at all. One day, she decides to do a one lipstick makeup hack. She tells her subscribers, using one lipstick, I will show you how to paint your entire face. And she did it also. First she started with painting her lips. Then next she went to do eyeshadow, blush, eyeshadow. Then using the same lipstick, she has gone and done it like a blush. Last she is telling, same lipstick I will use and make it a foundation. In between, same day, that earthquake also came. The room was shaking. You can imagine what all has happened in that room, man. She comes out and says, Shaji, how I am looking. What I will say? I said, Charulata, you look like a monkey. That too not ordinary monkey, Ramalila monkey. That too not those senior monkey who built the bridge at Nalanil and useless, hopeless monkeys who are running around. That is how you are looking. Charulata was really upset. She started throwing things at me. Chappal, books, bag, frying pan, everything. Why I will be left behind? I threw my personality development books at her. That day, there is no glass here. happen in the night time. Tarulada talks in her sleep. That I know, 20 years I've been dealing with that. She will say random things like, Gandhinagar is the capital of India. Suddenly she will get up and shout, Kathiawadi, national language of India. Suddenly she will say, Mr. Modi, meet my husband Shaji Dolakia. Shop here in the corner. I am used to all that nonsense. Ever since the YouTube channel has taken off, her sleep talking has gone through the roof. Daily in the night, from 2 a.m. to 3 a.m. it starts. She starts shouting. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. Then starts hitting. Like, share, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Bloody bell here. I am not getting food, not getting sleep. What I will do? This is what is happening in flat number 101 since last several weeks. You heard my point. I don't have anything else to say. I have to go now because I have a personality development session. But see, even today, Tarulada, great lady, she has not shown up for the monthly society meeting. Where is she? Probably sitting in front of the YouTube channel applying mango, sugar, yogurt, egg, something. I don't know what to do with the lady. Anyway, I told you whatever I had to say. Now, God bless you all and thank you for listening to my problem.
Charulata Puri from Ahmedabad. I am basically Saji Mathai की बेटर हाफ. मैं फ्लैट नंबर 101 में रहती हूँ and I am basically the founder and the creator of the famous YouTube channel Makeup Hacks with Snakes. मीटिंग के लिए थोड़ी लेट हूँ क्योंकि मैं इधर ईव्सड्रॉपिंग कर रही थी ना. साजी आके सब अपना बोल के गया तो मैं उसका सुन रही थी, राइट. अभी साजी ने आके अपना सब ऐसा पॉइंट बोला तो मुझे मेरा काउंटर पॉइंट बोलना पड़ेगा नहीं. तो साजी ने क्या बोला पहले आप लोगों को कि मैं स्नेक्स चोरी करती हूँ, उसका मैं ऐसा लाइक उसका बनाना लेती हूँ और सिर पे लगाती हूँ. साजी और मैं एक ही घर में रहते हैं. वो सिर्फ खाना बनाता है, घर का बाकी काम मैं करती हूँ. लाइक वैक्यूम, डिशेस, लॉन्ड्री ने बदू. थोड़ा उसका स्नैक्स ले लिया, इसमें क्या हंगामा मचाने का. तो मैं अपने सब्सक्राइबर को क्या बोलूँ? हेल्दी खाना खाने का नहीं, सैलेड बनाना नहीं, योगर्ट है. उनको ऐसा बोलूँ कि पिज्जा खाने का, जालापिनो पॉपर खाने का, मंचूरी चिली चिकन खाने का. अरे मेरा चैनल बंद हो जाएगा. दूसरा क्या बोला आप लोगों को कि मैं बंदर जैसी दिखती हूँ, वन लिपस्टिक नु हैक करूँ छू. अरे आपकी पूरी सोसाइटी के फैशनिस्टा गॉडेस हूँ मैं. चैनल चलाती हूँ. आजकल ऐसा लिपस्टिक हैक અને બધું દેખાડવું પડે છે तब भी जाके सब्सक्राइबर मिलेंगे. बेसिकली आजकल ऐसा दिखाना पड़ता है लाइक सस्टेनेबिलिटी और मिनिमलिज्म, रिसाइकल ने, अपसाइकल ने, रिपर्पस ने બધું દેખાડવું પડે છે. तीसरा क्या बोला कि मैं रात को नींद में बात करती हूँ. What should I say? अभी मेरा चैनल इतना फेमस हो गया है, मैं दिन रात उसके बारे में सोचती रहती हूँ. कंटेंट जनरेट करती हूँ, आइडियाज करती हूँ, हैक्स करती हूँ. आर्टिस्ट हूँ, पैशनेट हूँ. आर्टिस्ट लोग का ऐसा ही रहता है, दिन हो या रात हो, कंटेंट एकदम सर पे रहता है. तो क्या हो गया अगर थोड़ा इधर उधर मैंने रात को बोला, इधर उधर हाथ लग गया? इतना क्या साजी का हाइपर टेंशन करने का है? एनीवे, उसने उसका बोला, मैंने मेरा भी. अभी I would love to talk more to you all, लेकिन अभी मुझे जाने का है क्योंकि मेरा लाइव शो है। मगर आप सब लोग don't forget like, share અને subscribe to my channel અને પછી hit the bell icon of my famous channel Makeup Hacks with Snake. આપ સબકો આવજો અને લાઈક જલારામ બપ્પા will bless you all.